Hey guys, I just finished testing the LG G7 Think and I managed to get my hands on a OnePlus 6. I love the device, but there's just one reason I wouldn't get it.
What is that reason?
Haha, wouldn't you like to know? Hold on and watch the video. I'll let you know at the end.
This is the model we had.
Super lazy.
I don't want to read those numbers out.
Fine.
So what was your experience, Kevin?
Well, the moment I set it up, the first thing that hit me is it's bloody fast. And they weren't joking, right?
Yeah.
It's not just the usability, but even the face unlock is so fast that I couldn't read my notifications. And I had to switch on the swipe to unlock. And you really notice the speed with multitasking, for example. It just keeps things running in the background and doesn't need to refresh when you open them up again.
Yeah.
If you're not really a gamer, you could easily do with the lesser 6GB RAM model.
Yeah, in terms of the device, the notch did not bother us.
And you know what takes more courage than removing the headphone jack? The whole navigation bar.
But the iPhone is...
And it works really well on the OnePlus, and you get used to it very quickly.
So Kevin, from what I read, people seem to be having mixed feelings about the battery life. What are your feelings about the battery life?
Right? Yeah, there's just one thing I gotta say to those people. You got some first world problems. Because I got around 5 hours screen on time, and that's a lot.
Yeah.
That's plenty. I had like 30% left before going to bed. And if that's not enough, there's dash charge. And it works as advertised. A day's power in half an hour.
This video is not brought to you by OnePlus. Let's come to what is a little bit of a weakness, at least since the OnePlus One. The camera doesn't really seem to be in the top bracket. How did you experience it?
Yeah, so, I went out and I started taking a couple of photos with the G7, the Pixel, and the OnePlus 6. So check out those samples for yourself. After seeing the samples for myself, I felt like the OnePlus 6 had more true-to-life colors, whereas the G7 was more saturated, a bit Samsung-like. But looking at the night shots or the portrait mode and general picture details, they were quite similar. So I didn't see a huge difference, and I would be very happy with using the OnePlus 6's camera. But do take a look at these pictures and make up your own mind.
So you said the software experience was really snappy and quick, right? But what's also quick is getting this out of the box and working, because you have a screen protector installed, you have that TPU case, cheap looking, but it works.
Yeah.
So this phone is a bit slippery, right?
True.
So you should put on the case for protection.
Yeah.
So Kevin, we've spoken about a lot of small and big things about the OnePlus 6, like what comes in the box, the screen protector, the case. We talked a little bit about the headphone jack, the alert slider, all nice things to have.
Yeah. And some of the bigger things that OnePlus is known for example, dash charge, the fastest on the market so far. And the fact that it's the closest thing to stock Android.
Yeah.
And it's got a really fast processor and 8 or 6 gigabytes of RAM, which is way more than average on a flagship device.
Yeah.
And finally, it's also very wallet friendly in terms of its retail price.
Yeah. Enough with the suspense already. What is that one reason why you don't recommend the OnePlus 6? What?
Wait, yeah, no, I'm not cutting the, what do you? My hands, they're just too small. Yeah, so the device is a hefty device, like I said. It's not easy to reach the notification shade or even type comfortably with one hand.
So are you saying you need OnePlus hands to use this device?
We're copywriting that one. If you're considering this device and you want something more comfortable to use, I'd suggest look at other devices such as the LG G7 or the Pixel devices or Samsung S8 or S9. Never say never, but I'm settling for now.
We copyrighted that as well.
A big shout out to Sumit for letting us borrow the OnePlus 6. If you don't know him, check out the LG G6 photo walk that we did, and we'll link his Instagram below as well. He's an awesome photographer.
And if you do plan on getting the OnePlus 6 or any of the devices mentioned in this video, make sure to use the links in the description. That will help us keep this channel alive. And this channel needs to live for freedom, for truth, justice, Those three things. You've been settling.
And we've been DHRME.